Hey everyone, so by the end of the week, my hair always looks a mess. It looks tangly, dry, unruly, but I'm going to show you guys how I use a product that I did receive from my personal review to change my hair to look like this in just one wash day. It's called the Prismax Nutritivo, and I'm actually going to walk you guys through each step of how to use this product to make your hair moisturized and smooth. Okay, so step one is that you want to use a really good shampoo to clarify your hair and get all of the buildup and products that you've put on through the week throughout your hair. Then simply just rinse the shampoo out. I'm going to towel dry my hair for a little bit. And here is the packaging for the product right here. It's the Prismax Nutritivo, and this is what it looks like. The back says that it moisturizes and restores dry, damaged hair with a revitalizing boost of essential vitamins and smoothing agents to maximize your hair's natural beauty. Now I'm going to get a little close so you can see the ingredients. And then here's the other side with the directions. They're super easy to follow, but like I said, I'm going to do them throughout the video. Here's the social media handles. And on the website, they use a bowl and a brush to mix the products, but I'm actually kind of lazy, so I'm going to be using a applicator bottle. I got this from Sally's, but you can use anything that works. Here is the little vial of Nutritivo right here. It looks like liquid gold almost. So I'm going to fill it up to 3.5 ounces of water, which is what it states on the instructions. This looks about right for me. So now you pour the complete vial in with the water, and you want to make sure you mix it really good. Since I'm using a bottle, I'm basically just going to put the top back on, make sure that it's secure, and I'm going to just keep shaking it. So you want to get the product to be like a creamy or thicker consistency. So I shook it for about 30 seconds to a minute to make sure that it was mixed really well. And this is what it looks like. As you can tell, it's not liquidy anymore. So I have towel dried my hair, and I'm just going to basically finger detangle and just fluff it out a bit before I get ready to apply the product to my hair. And you want to make sure that you get the product on all the strands of your hair. Each and every strand needs to be saturated with this product for it to work really well. So I'm basically going to section my hair off into 4 sections. I'm going to start with this back section right here for you guys to see. And I actually put the bottle upside down so that the cream would be at the tip of the bottle to make it easier to come out for me. Just section row by row, which is what I'm going to do, and apply the product. You want to get it on all the strands. Make sure it's really saturated good. Don't be afraid to use as much as you need to. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the next row right here, showing you what the product looks like a little bit better. Rub my fingers together and apply. If you do this in a bowl, just use the applicator brush, dip it in the bowl, and apply it to your hair. It's the same method. So I'm going to actually speed this part up right here, but I did want you guys to see each and every part of this section, so I'm just going to let you guys watch. Okay, so here's what my hair is looking like with the product applied to each and every strand, row by row. Got it thoroughly saturated. And I was scared that I was going to run out of product to use, but I actually had quite a bit left over. So I just took a bunch of it in my hand and then dispersed it throughout my hair. And I still had a good amount left over. So this will cover your entire head. You'll have plenty to use, definitely. So just gonna wrap my hair up, put on a shower cap, and get ready for my heat treatment, which is the next step. So this is the soft hood hair dryer attachment. It is also from Prismax, and it's super convenient because instead of having to sit under a hooded dryer, you just put this on your hair. It comes with a shower cap, a little travel storage bag, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, show you what it looks like right here. It has a long hose, which is where the air is gonna go through. These little holes right here is the inside of the hood. I'm just showing you guys where the air comes out of. So this was my first time using one of these, so it was a little learning curve, but you put it on your head and you secure it under your chin right there to make sure that it stays. And also you want to secure the blow dryer, so you put it on the end of the tubing, and I'm just making sure that it was all the way on there really good. Then I'm gonna turn it on, but as you can see, I didn't secure it good enough because it's like trying to fly away. So this little drawstring on the side is exactly what that's for, to solve that problem. Make sure you pull the drawstring tight so that it secures around your head. I did this for 20 minutes, which is what you need to do. Or if your hair is bleached, only do it for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna proceed to go to the sink and rinse it out. The instructions recommend 70%, only rinse 70% of it out of your hair, not like 100%, so you can leave just a little bit of product in your hair. So I've towel dried again, take it off, gonna fluff out my hair. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair from root to tip with a wide tooth comb. I'm gonna detangle it really good before I move on to the blow dry step. And I also wanted to make sure to point out that I have not used any products on my hair except the Nutritivo. I'm not gonna put any leave-in conditioner, no heat protectant, none of that. Shampoo your hair and then apply the product. And then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to blow dry my hair row by row, the same way I applied the product, row by row. Another benefit of this product is that it helps cut down on drying time. So my hair dried quicker than it normally does. It's very bouncy, very flowy. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to flat iron my hair, and this is the flat iron that I absolutely love to use. So just like everything else, I'm gonna go row by row, section by section, and flat iron my hair. Okay, so I'm basically just gonna talk about the product for just a second while I'm flat ironing my hair. So this was a first impressions. This was my first time using this product, and I absolutely loved it. Like at first I was uncertain, but once I went through all of the steps and once I got done flat ironing my hair, I could actually tell at the step where I was rinsing the product out, like my hair literally felt like butter when I was rinsing it out. Like it literally was soft before I even blow dried my hair. But my hair was soft, it felt silky, it actually felt straighter. It's hard to explain that, but it's like it helps to smooth the cuticles. It really does. Like my hair was super easy to style, flat iron. Like I just had a really good experience with this product, and I would suggest to use it maybe like at least once a month. To me, it kind of seemed like it was a deep conditioner mask plus a hot oil treatment mixed in one. I mean, that might not what it actually is, but that's just kind of how I viewed it. And we all know that deep conditioners and hot oil treatments are really good for your hair, and this just kind of gave the impression to me like my hair was just super moisturized after this. Like there was like no dryness in it. It's flowy, it's bouncy. Like I wish you guys could just reach through the screen and touch my hair, because it was like so soft. My hair has not been this soft in a long time. Like the texture, it was just super soft when I was done. I was so pleased with this product, and I would definitely highly recommend it. These are basically my results right here. Super easy to follow. I loved it. And on the next scene right here, I'm just gonna show you guys when I was in natural sunlight like I did at the beginning of the video. This was actually the next day, and it all worked out well. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.